Smart door lock? Check. Smart light and switch? Check. Google Nest Hub? So, check. Ilan lang yan sa mga features ng pinakabagong smart homes housing model na binuksan ng World Capital Holdings Incorporated sa Altiera de Tarlac Smart Village na matatagpuan sa bayan ng Concepcion. At para i-welcome ang nasabing exciting lifestyle development, isang fun run ang isinagawa kasabay ng project launching nitong Sabado, October 25. Kasama sa mga nakisaya sa takbuhan ang kilalang content creator na si Carla Marie Navarro.
Sobrang saya kasi first time ko dito, tapos ang ganda ng weather, ang ganda din ng lugar, sobrang presko, iba talaga yung hangin, and sobrang nice na mga runners as well. So, after nung run, medyo sabi ko, ang ganda ng place, tapos gusto ko din matingnan yung mga houses dito, nakita ko yung house dito, and yun nga, parang ano siya, parang voice automated siya, na may commands. So, sabi ko, nice, kasi usually sa phone lang siya. So, it's nice na may mga ganung features sa mga house, applicable din siya. Very high-tech lang yung atake niya.
Sa launching, ipinasilip sa lahat kung paano nga ba makakatulong ang smart homes na equipped with cutting-edge technology sa araw-araw na pamumuhay. Mula sa labas, mapapa-forget the keys ka talaga sa kanilang smart doors kung saan gamit lang ang fingerprint, face recognition o mobile app control, secured na agad ang bahay mo. May video surveillance at emergency unlock feature na rin ito, kaya siguradong safe ka anytime, anywhere. Hindi lang yan. Meron din itong smart switch. Dito, pwede mong kontrolin ang ilaw at appliances sa iyong mobile app dahil may touch control panel, voice command, at mood lighting na rin ito. Isang tap lang, automatic na ang lahat. At syempre, hindi mawawala ang ilaw sa tahanan. Ito naman ang kanilang smart lights where you can customize your lighting depende sa iyong mood, from morning mode to start your day fresh o night mode for a cozy vibe. Ayon kay Neil Soriano, OIC ng Marketing Communications Department ng World Capital Holdings Incorporated, sadyang idinisenyo ang smart homes para sa mga taong sanay sumunod sa umiiral na technological advancement ng mundo upang maisunod sa kanilang lifestyle ang seguridad ng bahay.
Specific for this product, we are targeting our urban professionals, our young professionals, our urban dwellers, and of course our Filipino migrants. Because the young professionals is an emerging market for the real estate industry. And as well as for the Filipino migrants, a lot of Filipinos wants to go home in the Philippines and invest in the Philippines for their families and and also securing the future of their children. We suggest an encrypted password and an encrypted username for our customers and clients. And also, we personalize our features to our specific clients depending on their needs.
Binigyang diin naman ni Irvin Paul Pastoriza, Sales and Marketing Group Director ng World Capital Holdings Incorporated, na what makes Altiera de Tarlac different from other subdivision is not just their technological features, but because these houses are also eco-friendly.
We are inserting things that are unique from the other developers in such ways that it would be more convenient to our clients, as simple as our Google integration, wherein if you get inside the house, you just say, "Hey Google, I'm home," and then automatically your aircon turns on, the light turns on, and even the blinds just opens up. And that is something of a new experience that we're offering to our clients. In fact, we tried our very own solar panels here, so which means that if ever you're just utilizing the power of the sun, so you don't actually use electricity. So it saves a lot of costs in the long run. If you think about it, it saves a lot of costs for our clients in terms of their electricity usage, and that makes it eco-friendly and at the same time savings to the clients.
Ang bawat smart homes ay may floor area na 95 square meters at land area na 120 square meters. Mayroon itong 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, kitchen at balcony. May 24/7 security na rin ang 9.1 hectares community na may clubhouse at outdoor gym.
Feel the convenience, feel the sustainability, and feel the cost savings that you will actually benefit from it. So what you're waiting for? Come here and visit us here in Altiera de Tarlac and witness our smart homes.
Riniela Tugay, CLTV 36 News.